guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a lip swatch and review video, and we're going to be testing out the new Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipsticks. These ones do come in 10 different shades. They're obviously a drugstore product, so they're super affordable. I have swatched all 10 shades for you here on camera, so you can get a really good look at each of the shades, the colors, the consistency of the formula and everything. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the formula and whether or not I think that they are worth it. So yes, if you're interested in seeing swatches and my review on these brand new babies, and let me tell you, there's a lot of hype around these, then please keep on watching.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, sin. We need tonight. I run
So there you have it, guys. Those are all 10 swatches of all of the shades. I must admit, I do really like this formula. It's actually quite different to a lot of the liquid formulas out there. It goes on quite wet, and it's strange. It feels like a lip gloss when you first apply it, but then eventually it does dry down to a matte finish. It does take actually quite a little while to dry down to a matte finish, and even when it has dried down, it still has like a little bit of a sheen to it. Like it's still like sort of slightly sticky on the lips. Some colors definitely dry down way more matte than others. Like for example, the nude shades and kind of like the light pink shades, these dry down super matte, super budge proof. But with the deeper purple shades, you know, they're not like when you eat and things, they are going to transfer off a little. As far as the consistency of the formula goes, I think that they were all pretty good, very opaque, very nice. The only color that I did have trouble with was this one here at number 40, Believer. I don't know, there was patchiness on sort of like my top of my lip, and I did put like a bunch of coats on. I don't know if it was just like a funny part of my lip that the formula wouldn't stick to or whatever, but this is the only shade that I actually did have any trouble with. The rest of them are gorgeous. Shade range is gorgeous. I absolutely love the nudes and the pinks. My personal favorite colors, and you're not going to be surprised, you guys never are, these two ones here. So number 5, Loyalist, and number 10, Dreamer. Hands down, these are gorgeous. They've got a really nice scent to them. It's like vanilla-y. It's not kind of too over the top. It's like a bakery kind of scent. I honestly think these are beautiful. They're definitely really, really long lasting. Love the packaging, love the color range, and they're so affordable. So in my opinion, these ones are definitely a thumbs up from me. I think they're awesome. I've spoken before, and you guys probably already know yourself, that finding really good liquid lipsticks at the drugstore is hard. They're normally all so bone dry and they just turn your lips to like sandpaper. That hasn't happened at all with these, and I've worn a couple of them for like a whole day. Stay nice and hydrated and comfortable, and yeah, they don't like dry up and go crusty. I like them. So there you go, guys. Those are my thoughts on the Maybelline Matte Ink Liquid Lipsticks. Please let me know if you've tried this formula out. What do you think? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Is there anything that you think that the formula is comparable to? Let me know all of that in the comment section down below. Also, please let me know if there's a line of lip products that you want to see me swatch next. I feel like we should do a lip swatch of my entire MAC lipstick collection. It's going to be a long video because I literally own the whole store. We might have to break it up into like nudes and pinks and reds, and let me know if you're interested in seeing that though. Leave me a comment and tell me down there. But yes, I love you guys so much. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you all in my next one.